Hey guys, in this video I'm going to create this landing page which will contain a simple logo and illustration, and the right part of this section will be a heading, a paragraph, and this simple button. So basically this project is for beginners who want to increase their skills by practicing HTML and CSS. So without wasting the time, let's get started. We should go to our code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So I will upload all of the images. As you see, these images and this code on my GitHub repo, and give the link of my GitHub repo in the description of this video. So let's get started. In this way you can compare your code and also build it with me by using the same images. So as you see, we want a container which will cover whole of our screen, and in this container we have two other containers which will contain a logo and this section, the hero section. So we should use a container which will called hero I think we will name it a header dot hero section, and in it we will have an image which will be a logo for website, and the second part will be a I think so the second part will be a container which will contain an illustration dot slash. We will go to the images and I will select illustration mockup, and the second part is the text section in which we will have a heading, a paragraph, and a not a b tag button. So the heading will be, I will copy the heading, build the community your fans will love. This will be a heading. The paragraph will be this one. I will copy it. Now you can pause the video and write this paragraph, and the button will say register. Now you will see we want line break after community. Now after community I will want a line break, and I will use a br tag for this, and in the paragraph I want a line break after have with, after have, and after with. Where is the with? Yeah, I want a line break. Now open this with the live server, how our design will look. Now you will see we are not able to see a logo because the logo color is white. So as we change the background color, the logo will appear here as you see in the demo website. So let's go to our style, and one thing more, here you will see a default margin around our container of 10 pixels, so we should remove this margin. So go to our Visual Studio Code set the margin to 0, padding will also be a 0, and the box sizing will be a border box. Now target the body, and in the body we have a font family. This one font size will be 18 pixel. We have a background image of your URL dot slash images. bg desktop is here. Now you will see we have a background image, but we also want a background color of this image, which will this color will be in our style guide, and the color we will use, I think it will be a soft magenta. Let's try this one. Background color. Now the background color will be, let's try this one. I think it's a different color. We should use violet color. Now this is a color, it's looking beautiful. As you see, it has increasing the size. We should give a height of 100 viewport height to our body and use flexbox to align the illustration and the text section in a horizontal direction. So first of all, for this background image we use the background position of center. Background size will be cover, and background repeat will be no repeat. Now we'll use a display flex. Flex direction will be a column. We are using this flexbox to align this logo and the whole of this complete section in a vertical direction, and then I will target this container and align it in a horizontal direction. Flex direction will be justify content will be center, align items will be flex start, I think so. Let's see, it has aligned beautifully. Let's try justify content. Let's try space evenly, how it will look. It's the same, so let's use center. Now we will target our container, which is the hero section. So copy the class name, move to our CSS file, paste it here. We will use display flex. Justify content will be space evenly. Oops, it's not looking good right now. So what should we do? I think we should use these properties here. Cut this one from the body and use it here. And now let's try justify content to space evenly. And now target this container, only container we have targeted the different container, that's why our style is was not working. Now target the container dot container display flex, justify content space evenly, align items center. Let's see how to look. It's looking beautiful, but we want a space between our containers. Justify content will be a space between. Let's see if it's working. No, it's not working. So we should give it a margin left of 50 pixel. So we should give it a margin not a 50 pixel. Let's try 30 pixel. Now we should target the text container, not text container, text section, and go to our style file, and here I will target the text section. What's happening? Now I will use display flex. Flex direction will be a column because we want our text in a column direction, which is a vertical direction. Justify content center, align items center. Let's see how it will look. It's not looking the same. Let's try flex start. Now you will see it's looking beautiful. So we should use a margin left of 50 pixel. Now it's looking beautiful, but we should change the color of our heading and give it a space. So let's give a color of white. Let's and now we should target the heading text section greater than size h1. So you should or you shouldn't give class names to these h1 and p tags because we can target them simply because our project is not complex one. So let's target the h1 tag, give it a font size of 35 pixel, font weight of 800, margin bottom of 15 pixel. I think it will look good. Now it's looking beautiful. Now we should target our description, which will have a margin bottom of same 15 pixel. Now it's looking good. We just have to target our button. In the text section we have a button, give it a padding of 10 pixel from top and bottom and 20 pixel from left and right. Let's see it. Now give it a 22 pixel. Let's see how it will look. It's looking good. We just use border radius of 22 pixel. Border will be a none. So the color we want same white color, and the text color will be a black one. So as you see, there is a difference in the size of our button. As you will see here, we have to fix a few of the issues. As you see, as we click, there is a default outline which is not looking great. So first of all, we'll increase padding. Let's try 12 pixel from top and bottom and 24 pixel. Outline none. Let's try outline none. If it remove, yeah, yes, it has removed the width, outline width. Mm-hmm. What's happening to button? Button is now looking good. Color will be a black one. Font weight will be, I think, 600. Let's try. Now it's looking good, but we have to fix our logo and our illustration. So we should target our illustration, which is in the hero section, and in container we should target image and give it a margin top, or we can also give a margin top to our container. Let's give it a margin top of 20 pixel. How to look? It's looking nice. We should give some margin left to our logo, so it should align the same line as our illustration is aligned. So as we see, our illustration has a margin left of, I think so. Where is our illustration? This is our illustration and this is our logo. In the hero section we will target our image. Here is the hero section. We'll target our image and give it a margin left of 30 pixel. Let's see how to look. Now you will see it's looking nice and it has the same margin. Now we have built our landing page for a header website. Now there is one more thing, we should give it a cursor of pointer as we will hover to our registration button. So let's go to button style and give it a cursor of pointer. I think we should increase little bit of style. Let's try this. Now this one is looking great. So this tutorial has completed. So you should subscribe to my channel because I will upload more videos about HTML and CSS projects, and in a few days I will also upload JavaScript projects to my YouTube channel. So you should subscribe to my channel. So have a nice day, because this is the end of this video. So enjoy.